In that can.
It's time you and me got in touch. Hey, I can't. You can't touch me, but I can touch you. Stay away from me. Barry, I'm going to do to you what no one else ever has. No! Big hug. What? I've been grumpy up too if no one ever hugged me. Hey, you know what? I never have been hugged. Maybe this is just what I need. Or maybe I'm just a jerk who enjoys bullying other animals. Well, in that case, I can just squeeze you too. No, that's good.
With the poisonous straw.